Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another one of the Casio classic watches. The model code for this one is the MW-240-4BVEF. That's quite long, I'm not going to bother saying that again. Initial look at the box is it's a standard sort of card outside cover really, with a simple sort of put out box. It's very traditionally vintage for them, cheap materials, all that kind of stuff. It sits in sort of a display style sort of pouch really. Let's take this watch out and have a little look in a bit more detail. Sort that out in a minute. So here we go guys, it's got a 48mm case diameter with a 10.3mm case thickness, retails at £20, weighs 55 grams and uses a quarter smoothing that is accurate to plus or minus 20 seconds per month. So let's have a look at the face here. So we've got a sort of a matte style grey finish to the actual main dial in the back there. Let's see if we can move this bit of plastic, assuming this is plastic. I'll leave that glove off now. With fully luminous hands and nice, bold, easy reader style hands going around the side here. You've got resin glass going over the top of the actual watch with a 3-year battery life when you buy it new from, I think when you buy it new from Casio or Amazon, you'll get that 3-year battery life. It's an SR626SW battery and you get 50 meter wall resistance, as you can see here from the markings on the face. I'm not sure if this is an Indiglo or not. It didn't specify whether this was or not. Overall, a nice sort of black and orange theme going on here. No sort of markings inside the actual face of the watch there. Going to the casing. Got a full resin casing going all the way around on the side here. Nice chrome finish on, well, polished finish if you prefer that, on the actual crown. Let's have a look at the crown now. Despite the fact the crown's quite small, it's quite easy to access with how the resin case is moulded around the strap. You've got a nice amount of feedback on the actual crown, and there's no date dial, which means it's only one position, so it's only one position to get right, and they've got it right with this one. It's got a decent amount of feedback to it, and it's got a very nice click down as well, so quite nice for the price of £55, well, £20. It's quite decently made really. So coming to the strap, couldn't tell you the strap size because I believe it's made to fit the actual watch, but the actual width of the lug area, let's have a look. We've got a 16mm case diameter at the lug width, but the actual strap sits at around about 21mm. It's a full sort of silicone rubber style strap with an indented style windows to hold the buckle in place. You've got one single large holder just to hold that strap in place. The buckle is an unmarked Casio buckle that's got a sort of a Carbonox look to it, but it's held in a sort of cheaper style buckle, as you can see how easy it is for me to flick that around. I mean, it's not as tight as it could be, but it doesn't matter because this is just to fulfill functions to hold the watch on your wrist. To come around to the back of the actual strap, you've got little grippers on the side here, which works quite nicely. Again, a completely free roam holder to hold that watch in place. It's a full screw down crown, the case back, sorry, as you can see from these screws here. Nice, you can easily access those strap pins if you want to remove the strap and change it up, but you need to have like a 60mm one that goes out into a bigger strap if you want to go for that. So there you go guys, that is the Casio classic men's watch.